The crowd pressed tightly around Jesus as he walked through the streets. People reached out, calling his name, hoping for a touch, for a miracle. Among them was a woman, weak and trembling. For 12 long years, she had suffered from constant bleeding. She had spent everything she had on doctors, yet nothing worked. Day by day, she grew weaker, not only in body but in spirit. But that day, hope stirred within her heart. She had heard of Jesus, the one who healed the sick, made the lame walk, and gave sight to the blind. "If I can just touch the hem of his robe," she whispered, "I will be healed." With trembling hands, she pushed through the crowd. Each step was painful, but her faith was stronger than her fear. The noise of the people faded, and all she could see was Jesus before her. Finally, she reached out, and her fingers brushed the edge of his robe. In that instant, power flowed. Her pain stopped. Her bleeding ceased. Her body felt whole again, for the first time in years. Jesus stopped suddenly and turned around. The crowd grew silent. "Who touched me?" he asked. The disciples looked at him in surprise. "Master, the people are crowding all around you, and you ask who touched you." But Jesus' eyes searched the faces around him. "I felt power go out from me," he said softly. The woman realized she could not remain hidden. With tears in her eyes, she fell at his feet, trembling. "Lord," she said, her voice breaking, "it was me. I have been sick for 12 years. I thought if I could just touch your robe, I would be healed. And now, I am." Jesus knelt beside her, his expression filled with love. He gently placed his hand on her shoulder and said, "My daughter, your faith has made you well. Go in peace and be freed from your suffering." His voice was calm, filled with kindness and strength. Tears streamed down her face, not of pain, but of joy. The crowd looked on in awe as she stood, healed and radiant, her heart full of gratitude. And as she walked away, she knew it was her faith that had touched heaven.